CQ, 143 Northwest England, 143 Northwest England. This is 2 Alpha Whiskey 014 USA North America calling. QSL, we probably have there. I think, I believe now that I have to look at my logbook, but I think we might have spoken to. My operator name is Ken. Kilo Echo November. Kilo Echo November. I know you're the 26 Sugar Delta. What was the rest of the numbers there, QSL? CQ, 26 Sugar Delta 143, 26 Sugar Delta 143. I don't know if propagation's dropped off. 26 Sugar Delta 143 England. This is 2 Alpha Whiskey 014 USA calling. Okay, just run it by me again with your operating name. Run it by me again with your operating name, Roger. QSL, the operator name is Ken. Operator name is Ken. Kilo Echo November. Kilo Echo November. The operator name is Ken. Kilo Echo November. QSL? QSL, Ken, no worries at all. Okay, your signal at the moment is signal 9 pulse. 9 pulse, good strong signal, radio 5, Ken. Okay, location, Derry, Southwest England. City is Preston, which is 40 miles north from the city of Manchester and 20 miles inland from the Irish Sea. And the working conditions here again is ICOM 7400, about 100 whiskies into a 4-element, about 28 feet high, and original microphone, Ken, back to you. Hey, QSL, very good, 100%. Signal report 5x5, 5x5, sometimes 5x3. Propagation has dropped out, but very, very strong at the moment. Working conditions on this end is a President Jackson export radio, working a Antron 99 about 25 feet in the air. Back to you, sir. Okay, Ken, well, it's certainly working well for you, Just hold on to this, just stay there, Ken. I'll just swap over to my Antron 99 and see if you can still hear me, Ken, Roger. Hey, QSL, very good, QSL. I'll hang on the frequency there and see what you can do there, QSL. Okay, Ken, you still copy? Your signal's dropped a little bit. Your signal's about 5 and 5 with me at the moment, Ken. Do you still copy me, Ken, Roger? Hey, QSL, yes, I got you with the Antron 99. The old trusty Antron 99, definitely, you dropped off quite a bit, according to your beam, but still hear you good, Q5 there, QSL. QSL, I swapped back over to the 4-element beam, the stereo 4-element, and I've only had it up 12 months, and I used to have to make do with the Antron 99, but for the last 12 months I've hardly used the Antron 99. I just use it now and again, just to listen about the bands and on the bands as well, on 12 meters and 28 megahertz on 10 meters. I do have a wire up as well, Ken. I do have a full-size G5RV. Do you want to see if we can make it with the wire, Ken, Roger? Hey, QSL, yes, if you want to try it also and see what the signal will be over here there. QSL, back to you. Okay, Ken, no worries at all. I'll just see if you can hear me. Have you already switched over to it, QSL? Hey, QSL. Yes, I did not have any copy on the other antenna, none at all. But I do have you back in there. Back to you, QSL.
QSL 10, no worries at all. Your signal's dropping a little bit, but all copies anyway. Okay, Ken.
Hey, QSL, very good. Well, I'll let you get back to your to 3850 and see what kind of contacts you can make. You're definitely making a good trip out here. Signal dropped a little bit, but I believe propagation is going to be very, very good today. It's been a pleasure on this end making a contact with you, and I'll look you up on the internet there on the QRZ and maybe do a QSL with you there. Thank you so much for coming back to me. It's been a pleasure on this end. This is 2 Alpha Whiskey 014 USA. We'll be QSY on your final, sir. Go ahead.
Thanks for getting back to the call, Ken. Just tell me, Ken, before you go, what is your state, Roger?
Hey, QSL, the state is Tennessee. Tango, Echo, November, Echo, Sierra, Echo. State of Tennessee, about 20 miles north of Nashville, Music City, QSL.
Okay, no worries at all. All copies, Tennessee, no worries at all, Ken. Okay, so you have yourself a good day, and maybe we can hook up again tomorrow. Just spoke to Mr. Shane, 123, he's also in Tennessee. Do you know Mr. Shane, Ken, Roger?
That is a negative. He might be over in the eastern part. I'm more in the central part of Tennessee. Not really sure if I've made his contact there, QSL. Okay, very, very well there. And that was a 2-6 division, I'm sure there. Want to make sure I had my numbers right there. 2-6 Sugar Delta 143, very good. Always good to hear your country come in there. It's been a pleasure. All the good numbers from my country to yours, and hope to hear you on the frequency again in the near future. 2 Alpha Whiskey 014 USA. We thank you.